Hi, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Today I'm cooking for my family. I have 3 leg quarters. I have half of a medium onion. I cut up some bell pepper, and you'll notice I have red, orange, and green. And I also have some celery in there. And I'm gonna massage my chicken with some olive oil. And last but the special, if you don't know, now you know. You don't want to do anything without that top Texas spice. I'm telling you. Nothing tastes good without the top Texas spice, baby. Now I'm getting ready to season my chicken. First I'm going to massage it with olive oil. Then I'm going to season it with that top Texas spice. And then I'm going to put my vegetables on top. And we're going to bake it in the oven for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Make sure you preheat your oven at 350. So now I'm going to massage my chicken with olive oil. Then I'm going to season one side. I'm going to turn it over. Then I'm going to put my vegetables on, and then I'm going to put my top Texas spice on top of it. And I'm going to put it in the oven. We'll be right back after this commercial. Now this is the way it's supposed to look before you put it in the oven. Alright, let's see how it came out. Ooh, look at that. Baked chicken, baby, top Texas spice, beast in it. Make sure you subscribe to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Thank you.